Welcome to Parsimony. In this video, we'll be exploring the stock function and creating a delivery note. I'll guide you through this process. Let's get started. To access the stock function, click on the stock module on the top navigation bar. This will take you to the stock dashboard. Here, you can manage all your inventory-related activities efficiently. This will take you to the stock dashboard, where you can view and manage your inventory. To create a delivery note, click on Delivery Note under the Stocks Transactions. This is the Delivery Note List view. Here, you can see all your existing delivery notes. To create a new one, click on the Add Delivery Note button. This is the delivery note form. Here, we need to enter the required information. Start by selecting the customer for whom the delivery is being made from the drop-down list. For this example, I'll choose customer number 1. Next, select the source warehouse where the items are stored. I'll choose finished goods. Next, add the items that are being delivered by clicking on the Add Row button and selecting the item from your inventory. Select the item you want to deliver from the list. Enter the quantity and unit of measurement. You can add multiple items to the delivery note by selecting the Add Multiple button. Once you have added all the items, don't forget to save the delivery note by clicking on the Save button and hit Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully created a delivery note in Parsimony. This document will now be used to track the delivery of goods to your customer. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating a delivery note in Parsimony. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of this powerful business management software.